Um, I'm Slavica Singer, and I'm one of the founders, or the group of founders of this Center for Entrepreneurship in Osijek. So we started with Center for Entrepreneurship in Osijek in 1997 because we learned that money are not enough for people who want to start their own business. So we learned that it is, besides money, that money actually should come on the second place. On the first place are specific knowledge and skills, how to start a business venture and how to manage the development or growth of the business venture. So that's my experience with the Center for Entrepreneurship, and I'm from 1997 involved in many training, educational activities, consultancy, counseling activities of the center, as well as in the assembly of the center. I know that Center for Entrepreneurship in Osijek is a partner on the project DanubeChane Second 2, which main goal is actually promoting and development of entrepreneurship capacity among people, especially among those people who failed once and want to actually get another chance to start a new business venture. Center for Entrepreneurship is mostly involved in the part of the project focused on educational trainings. It's so-called Module 3, and this module is actually focused on understanding what is business model. And so I would like actually to stress several basic features of business model. First, the business model is not the same as business plan. And it is important to understand when we talk about business model, it is like when you are preparing to do something, it does not matter what. So you have to prepare, for example, some resources to be able to conduct planned activities. Actually, business model is exactly this. So we are using some kind of labeling the business model as the combination of different components which present so-called canvas. So it means it is the question about the value proposition which are offering to our potential customers. We are defining which key resources we need, for example, human resources, financial resources, space, technology. We also are thinking about channels, how to reach customers. We are thinking about who our potential customers will be, which key activities we will perform in order to satisfy identified needs of the customers, who could be our key partners. So it means we are actually identifying different components which should be combined in very effective way with each other in order to produce the highest return. And then after this, when we in some way design the model of our business model, we can test this business model with business plan. How this business model is effective in producing expected outcomes, and how much it is efficient in using resources. It means with this lowest level of cost to produce the maximal level of outputs. And that's actually the basic concept of business model. So I'm very happy actually to invite all of you who are potentially thinking about the new venture after failing the first one. or even the second one, and to see actually using your own experience and the concept of business model, how you should design the business model differently to actually be in the position to expect better effectiveness and higher efficiency of your business venture.